Morning, Pradeep Bhandari. What are your numbers? You've been a pollster in the past. You've sensed the mood of the people on the ground. Pradeep Bhandari, how are you seeing these elections? And आप खरीद रहे हो MLAs, आपने वोटर लिस्ट ट्रिम कर दी है, आपने अरविंद केजरीवाल को जेल में डाल दिया. अब इसके बाद भी अगर आप नहीं जीते तो फिर क्या होगा?
Navika ji, we are very, very confident that the Bharatiya Janata Party will win with absolute majority in Delhi, and we would clock a vote share of at least 45-46%. And the essence of the election, what I see and what we've been seeing on the ground, it's an anger election. People of Delhi are tired of Arvind Kejriwal. They've seen through him. He's looked as a corrupt man. He's not promised what he's delivered. People on the ground want basic delivery from the government, and this is why they have trust in Prime Minister Narendra Modi. So we fought this election. If you see and analyze our campaign, our narrative has been on the issues of people of Delhi, whether it is Yamuna, whether it is safe drinking water, and the Honorable Prime Minister giving a commitment that he will deliver it, I think has been an inflection point in our campaign. And in the last 20 years, the Delhi has not seen a Bharatiya Janata Party government. Delhi will see a Bharatiya Janata Party government, and I am very confident, Navika ji, like it has happened across the state, whenever the Bharatiya Janata Party has come to power in a state, it has continued to govern for long. So this will be an inflection point even for the politics of Delhi, which will see a start of governance in Delhi happening, which has not happened in the last 20 years, in particular in the last 10 years. With respect to MLAs and all, I think Mr. Kejriwal going to jail might also happen tomorrow, because there are a lot of cases which are sub judice.
Your intent is out.
Ongoing.
Even
so the
before the BJP registers a victory, they are saying Kejriwal might go to jail tomorrow. I mean, that's fast work, Pradeep. And that is, reeking of vengeance, vendetta, call it what you will. But joining me this morning is Akhilesh Katiyar, National...
The cases are such that he can.
Okay.
How can you predict the date and time? How can you predict the date? आपने बोल दिया कल ही जा रहे हैं. आप authority हो क्या?
But tomorrow, you mean tomorrow as in the 9th of February, or tomorrow means a longer future? Pradeep, please specify. Tomorrow means.
कर्म उनके ऐसे नविका जी की जाएंगे वो.
नहीं कब जाएंगे? आप तो कह रहे हैं कल जाएंगे. इसका मतलब
तात्पर्य है. What I mean to say is that he will be going. Vivek ji, you might want him to go tomorrow.
I don't want anyone
to go tomorrow.
Agencies will probe, the law will take its own course. That is the reality.
No, Sabha is saying it is you who decides. Who decides?
No, I'm not saying, but I would like to know.
No.
I would like to know. I would like to know one thing.
विवेक श्रीवास्तव, आपको कल जाने से प्रॉब्लम है, बाद में चले जाएं तो ठीक.
भाई मैं तो चाहता हूं जाए ही ना.
अच्छा, okay. Thanks for clarifying that.